We are going to do a walkthrough of a Weinig Quattromat 23P. Nice, clean, rather complete machine. It's actually cleaner inside than out. Weinig did not skimp out. They do give you a 77.5-inch infeed. So for a small machine, if we step back, you can see it has a really nice size infeed. You do have a 4 3/4 inch by 9 1/16 inch capacity on this machine. Your motor configuration is going to be 7.5 horsepower on that bottom head. Your side heads are going to share a 10 horsepower motor, and that final top head is 15 horsepower. So you do have a bottom right, left, top head configuration, and those spindles are 1.5 inches. Currently, there's 4 central lock quick change heads in this machine. So if we come and take a look at your bottom head, it's a central lock head. If you take a look at your right head, you're going to also notice that that is also a central lock head. We're going to come in here and unscrew your left head. Again, that's another quick change head. These guards do come off really easily for access to everything. Your top head simply lifts right off. There's no bedware in this machine. You have all your readouts, all your adjustments. Again, everything is clean. We're gonna walk around real fast. We do have the back cover off. Everything back here is nice and clean. Ductwork is in good shape. That is not always the case with these machines. The first thing we're going to do is close this lid. It will not operate with the front open unless it's in setup mode. Setup mode is going to be when you turn your key to the left here. It will allow you to jog the feed wheels for setup. Turning the key to the right is going to allow you to turn it on. We're going to go ahead and turn everything on this machine. Again, everything does function the way it should. If you were to open the door, everything's going to turn off. Those are braking motors. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you can give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.